Alright, y'all, so they're done. Right now, I'm currently decorating them. I have like this croc print going on, and I'm doing a freestyle. I have like an imagination of how I want it to look. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that soon. Alright, y'all, so I am done with my nails. They look so cute. It's definitely like what I was going for when I was thinking about what I was gonna do. I did them a little shorter than my last set, so it will be like more functionable or whatever the case may be. But yeah, super cute. And yeah, so tomorrow I have a lash appointment at 10:30, and then I have a hair appointment at 3. But right now I'm about to get some McDonald's, so you guys won't see me until tomorrow morning, so goodbye. And also I finished blow drying my hair, and right now I'm on my way to my lash appointment. I already got like my hair with me. I'm not showing you. You're probably gonna see it anyway, but I was gonna say I'm not showing you until like I get it done. I need my phone for the directions, so I won't be able to like just record, but I pretty much just wanted to like let you guys know that I was on my way to my lash appointment. I'm not gonna record while my lashes are getting done, just because I don't like to make anyone feel uncomfortable. Like, even as a nail tech, I would still kind of be effy about someone just recording like the whole entire process of me doing their nails. But yeah, y'all, I'ma go. See you guys in a bit. Period, y'all. So peep the lashes. I had to pull over just to show you guys. Look at that. That, and then look at that. These pink ones, like once I brush it, it's gonna match this. But I like how like when my eyes close, you can see the pink. And period. But yes, look at that. Look at that. But yes, love, love, love. I still have 2 hours until my hair appointment. I kind of have an urge to go home, but a part of me also just wants to like chill and just watch something on my phone. I'm heading to McDonald's right now, which is 22 minutes away. I said I should be there at 12:34, but I'm still gonna have like 2 hours and 30 minutes before my freaking thing. So I might go to like 9:45, look around at some hair accessories, or make some errands somewhere. Hey y'all, ooh, period, cause what? Ooh, period. This is a custom style I did, created by myself, so ooh, period. Okay, the nails, the hair, the lashes, ooh. Period, y'all. Super excited. This is just amazing. Like, look at that. You'll see that here. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I just asked her to leave a little baby hairs out, because last time I didn't do that, and head was looking even more swole, like. But I look a little plain. I feel like I look a little plain. I don't have no earrings on, and then I have on this t-shirt because I had my lash appointment today and I knew it was gonna be cold. And then yeah, so, but I'm just really feeling myself, like, that's all I gotta say. But yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the video. I was so excited to get my lashes in and my hair, especially when I knew I was gonna get pink. I just knew it was just gonna. And y'all, ooh, the nails. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to be on TikTok, you know. I'm trying to blow up on TikTok. It is so hard. But yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, y'all. Bye.